Creating a tiny farmhouse on a budget might sound like a contradiction, but as an architect, I can tell you, it's one of the most rewarding design challenges. A small footprint doesn't mean small ambition. With the right planning, smart material choices, and thoughtful details, a tiny farmhouse can feel warm, timeless, and surprisingly luxurious. In this video, we'll explore how affordability and elegance can coexist beautifully. The tiny farmhouse style is rooted in simplicity, comfort, and a strong connection to nature. Architecturally, it blends rustic elements like wood textures and gable roofs with clean lines and modern proportions. Luxury in this context doesn't come from excess, but from harmony, spaces that feel intentional, calming, and human-scaled. When done right, even the smallest farmhouse can feel emotionally expansive. Every successful budget-friendly project begins with intelligent planning. As an architect, I prioritize efficient layouts that eliminate wasted space. Open floor plans, combined living and dining areas, and minimal corridors reduce construction costs while improving spatial flow. When every square meter serves a purpose, the home feels larger, more functional, and far more refined than its size suggests. Luxury is often about perception, not price. Budget-friendly materials like engineered wood, fiber cement siding, or polished concrete can look incredibly high-end when detailed properly. Repeating materials throughout the house creates visual continuity, which instantly elevates the design. Simple finishes, neutral palettes, and natural textures work together to create a calm, sophisticated farmhouse atmosphere. Natural light is one of the most powerful and free design tools available. Large windows, clear-story openings, and glass doors blur the boundary between indoors and outdoors. In a tiny farmhouse, daylight makes rooms feel larger, warmer, and more luxurious. Thoughtful window placement also reduces the need for artificial lighting, saving money both during construction and long-term living. In tiny farmhouse design, flexibility is key. One space should perform multiple roles without feeling cluttered. A dining table can double as a workspace, built-in benches can hide storage, and loft areas can serve as sleeping or reading zones. These multifunctional solutions are not only budget-friendly, they are a hallmark of intelligent, modern architectural design. One of the biggest cost-saving secrets is simplicity of form. Rectangular plans, straightforward roof lines, and repetitive structural elements are more affordable to build and easier to maintain. Ironically, these simple forms often feel more luxurious because they are timeless. Clean architecture allows materials, proportions, and light to shine without unnecessary visual noise. Luxury often lives in the details. Thoughtful hardware, well-proportioned cabinetry, open shelving, and warm lighting can transform a modest interior into something special. Instead of decorating excessively, focus on a few strong elements that add character. In a tiny farmhouse, restraint is power. Each detail becomes more meaningful and visually impactful. A tiny farmhouse feels incomplete without a connection to the outdoors. Covered porches, small decks, or garden views extend the living space without adding major construction costs. These transitional areas enhance the farmhouse character while making the home feel larger and more relaxed. Architecturally, outdoor spaces are a smart way to add value on a limited budget. Creating a tiny farmhouse on a budget is not about compromise. It's about clarity. When design decisions are intentional, affordable homes can feel just as luxurious as high-end builds. By focusing on smart planning, simple architecture, and meaningful details, you can create a farmhouse that is cozy, elegant, and deeply satisfying to live in. Small space, big architectural impact.